Welcome. Today we'll learn how to find the inverse of a function. Let's find the inverse of the function f of x equals 4x plus 2. Let's visualize this function first. Here's our coordinate plane. And here's the graph of f of x equals 4x plus 2. It's a straight line with a slope of 4 and y-intercept of 2. To find the inverse function, we follow these steps. First, replace f of x with y. Then swap x and y. Finally, solve for y to get the inverse function. Let's follow these steps. First, we replace f of x with y. Y equals 4x plus 2. Next, we swap x, and yx equals 4y plus 2. Now we solve for y. First, subtract 2 from both sides. X minus 2 equals 4y. Then divide both sides by 4x minus 2 over 4 equals y. Therefore, the inverse function is f inverse of x equals x minus 2 over 4. Let's plot this inverse function on our graph in red. Notice how the inverse function is a reflection of the original function across the line y equals x. This is always true for inverse functions. Let's verify our answer by checking if f of f inverse of x gives us x. Let's substitute f inverse of x into f of x. F of f inverse of x equals 4 times the quantity x minus 2 over 4 plus 2. Simplify. This equals x minus 2 plus 2, which equals x. Perfect. This verifies that we found the correct inverse function. To summarize, the inverse of f of x equals 4x plus 2 is f inverse of x equals x minus 2 over 4. Remember, inverse functions undo each other's operations, and their graphs are reflections across the line y equals x.